This is CC Cycle 1, Week 17 of the Exodus chapter 20 scripture memory. We are on to verse 11. It says, "For the Lord made the heavens and the earth, the sea and everything in them in 6 days." So we're going to start with the sign for Lord, just L hand shape across your body, shoulder down to the opposite hip. The Lord made, hands like this. Okay, the Lord made the heavens and the earth, just like this. And the timing is going to go the sea. We're going to stretch out the sign for sea. The sea and everything in them in 6. Again, this is the sign for 6. 6 days. Okay, this is what it sounds like.
For the Lord made the heavens and the earth, the sea and everything in them in 6 days.
Okay, and that's week 17.